I buy this particular token on CoinS just for 20 USDT right here, and I get this particular amount right now. Okay, so I will literally go ahead and sell this particular token on MEXC right here, and then I will literally go ahead and sell it out to USDT on MEXC, and I will be getting this particular amount of USDT, which is 33 USDT right here. Okay, so no, this particular method right here will literally make you enough money on cryptocurrency. Just this particular single trade from CoinS to MEXC right here give us approximately 30 USDT, which is 29.3 USDT right here. Okay, now you can literally leverage on these particular exchanges right here, which is CoinS and MEXC right here. With this specific cryptocurrency right here called USDT, you will literally get to make enough profit from the price differences right here. So just keep tuned to this particular video. I will get you step by step on how you can literally navigate all these, so that you guys can literally know what to do and how to do it, so that you can literally make some cool cash for yourself right here. Okay, this is a particular step-by-step guide right here on this particular tutorial. So we will be using this specific cryptocurrency exchanger, which is CoinS. If you do not have CoinX already, just go ahead and sign up to CoinX. Make sure you get your account verified right here on CoinX, just as my own is verified right here. Okay, so if you literally want to get the link to download this particular CoinX app, go ahead to the video description. There's a link for you to sign up for CoinX right there. Yes, so just go straight again, go ahead and download this MEXC. Before you go ahead and download this particular MEXC exchanger, just go straight to the video description. You will also find the link to sign up an account right there. And after you sign up an account, make sure you register an account successfully, and just go ahead and get your account verified, just like my own right here is being verified. Yes, okay, so if all your account is verified, then you just go ahead and follow this particular step. Firstly, you just need to go ahead to this particular CoinX right here, spot this particular cryptocurrency just by clicking on spot trading. You go ahead and search for USDT right here. Okay, take a look at it right here. So this is it right now on spot trading. All we just have to do next is just for you to go ahead and fund this particular CoinX account just by clicking on asset, click on deposit right here, then deposit some USDT straight to this particular CoinX account right here, just with any of the network available right here. After then, you have USDT available on this particular CoinX. Go ahead and click on spot trading, go ahead and click on swap, or probably you can literally still use this particular place right here, which is on spot. But for quick transaction, you just have to go ahead and use swap. So on this swap right here, go ahead and select the specific token. So you just have to go ahead and swap USDT straight to Lite token. Okay, now you have the Lite token available right here on your CoinX exchanger, and then just go ahead and click on withdraw right here. Then just have to go ahead and search for the particular token, which is Lite. Okay, so go ahead and type it right here, take a look at it, go ahead and click on it right now, and then you just have to go ahead and select BSC, which is BOB20. So now just go straight to MEXC just like this. So immediately you are in this MEXC, go straight to wallet right here, then just go ahead and click on deposit right now and click on chain. Then make sure you go ahead and search the particular token right here, which is Lite. So take a look at it right here. So in this particular place, just go ahead and make sure it is BNB smart contract, which is BOB20 also. Then go ahead and click on copy. So just go straight to this particular CoinX right here and then paste it right here. Then just go ahead and input the particular amount you literally want to withdraw. Make sure you click on all, then go ahead and process, send all the particular Litecoin token straight to MEXC. So now let's assume that the money have delivered on this your MEXC exchanger right here. So immediately it deliver right here, just go straight to trade right now. Go ahead and search for the same coin, which is Lite, and then just go ahead and click on sell out all the particular token straight to USDT right here. The particular Lite token amount is this. Okay, so with this right now at this particular current price, we'll be getting this particular profit, which is 7 USDT right here. Okay, let's assume that you do this 3 to 4 times a day. You usually know how much you will be making from all this. So if you do this 2 times, you will be getting profit of 14 USDT. 7 plus 7, it is 14. Additional of 0.5 cents, it will be 15 USDT if you do it 2 times. So let's say you do it 4 times, it will be 30 USDT added to your 20 USDT. That means you earn 50 USDT just for this particular transaction right here. Because the currency trading right here is literally legal and it is good. Everybody literally know all this particular steps to make money from this particular exchanger right here. So I support all this particular method just by using a specific tools called arbitrage scanner right here. Okay, so this particular arbitrage scanner, let me show you right now so that you guys can literally go ahead and leverage your need and be using this particular arbitrage scanner. I will also drop the link on the video description right there. So on how you can actually use it, you just have to go ahead and subscribe before you can be able to use it. So it's worth it. Now just go ahead and subscribe with any little amount that you have right here. It might be 84 USDT, or probably just go ahead and spot 1 year or 6 months right here. So after you have literally go ahead and select any plan of your choice, just go ahead and click on this side and just go ahead and click on arbitrage product. Go ahead and click on arbitrage scanner right here. In this particular place right now, you have the full opportunity to literally go ahead and select any template of your choice, and then scroll down right here. A lot of cryptocurrency are available. So all this particular cryptocurrency right here, they have price indifferences right here. So take a look at them right now. This particular cryptocurrency, which is APT right here, they are selling it on MEXC at this particular price, and on this particular phone they are selling it on this particular price right here. So you just have to go ahead and make advantage of this right here. Take a look at all the cryptocurrency right here, and this is where the cryptocurrency are selling on how you can buy it and how you can sell it on a higher price. So this particular arbitrage scanner worth it. So just go ahead and sign up on this particular arbitrage scanner, and then use my promo code. It's on the video description. So if you use my promo code, you have a discount. Okay, so now there's a free trial right here also, which is I think 3 days free trial. You can also go ahead and try all those apps. Now I'll end this video right here. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.